Ever wondered how to make the perfect lemon rosemary roasted chicken at home? Well, ponder no more. Prepare to be swept away on a culinary journey that will leave your taste buds tingling and your dinner guests begging for more. The perfect lemon rosemary roasted chicken starts with the freshest of ingredients. You'll need a whole chicken, fresh rosemary, juicy lemons, garlic, olive oil, salt, and pepper. Step 1 is all about preparing the chicken. Dry the chicken using paper towels. Ensure it's completely dry. This is the secret to crispy skin. Then season the chicken generously with salt and pepper. For step 2, it's time to create the flavor base, which will infuse the chicken with the most tantalizing tastes. Combine fresh rosemary leaves, minced garlic, olive oil, the zest of 1 lemon, and some salt and pepper in a bowl. Mix these ingredients together until they form a paste. Moving on to step 3. This is where your chicken begins to take on its delicious identity. Rub the rosemary garlic paste all over the chicken, both on the outside and inside the cavity. Step 4 involves stuffing the chicken. Cut a lemon into quarters and place it along with a few sprigs of rosemary inside the chicken. This will infuse the chicken with a delightful citrusy aroma as it roasts. Now step 5, the roasting process. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees. Then, place the chicken in a roasting pan, breast side up. Roast for about 90 minutes or until the juices run clear when you pierce the thickest part of the thigh. The final step, step 6, is all about resting. Allow the chicken to rest for 15 minutes after removing it from the oven. This allows the juices to redistribute throughout the chicken, ensuring every bite is moist and flavorful. So there you have it, the perfect lemon rosemary roasted chicken. A simple recipe with maximum flavor impact. This dish promises to be a showstopper at your dinner table, a perfect blend of citrus and herb flavors, and a roast chicken that's crispy on the outside, juicy on the inside. Remember, the key to a great roast chicken lies in the quality of the ingredients, the preparation, and the patience to let it rest. Armed with this recipe, you're now ready to create a culinary masterpiece. Enjoy the process, enjoy the aromas, and most importantly, enjoy the taste.